I'll be dazzled. You finished filling out your repair form. Good on ya. And guess what? My name's Matt, and that rhymes with pack, and I'm here to show you how to package your items for shipment. Yeah! First things first. When you filled out the repair form on our website, you should have received an email from us that had 2 attachments at the bottom. One of those attachments will be shipping instructions, and the other one will be a shipping label. And at the top of that shipping label, it will tell you what sort of packaging you need to send your device into us for repair. We will be going over the medium flat rate box. This is a priority mail service, and it'll get it to you real quick, and it comes with $50 of shipping insurance. If you're looking for additional shipping insurance on your device, you will need to purchase your own shipping label, but you can still use this box. We'll typically send this shipping label to you if you're sending us an Xbox or a PlayStation or a couple MacBooks, then we'll probably tell you to use this box. Secondly, when you pack your devices for shipment in this box, you want to make sure that they are very snuggly. Very snuggly with that bubble wrap. You don't want to have this wiggle around inside the box at all. This will help it stay safe during transit and make sure that it gets to us without experiencing any further damage. Sneak attack! If you use any packaging besides this box, that means any boxes that are unmarked, but of greater size than this one, or anything that has the blue ink on it and says Priority Mail Express, or just any other type of priority mail flat rate packaging, the post office will charge you additional fees when you send your device into us for repair. Wow! We would recommend that you don't just leave your package on your front porch. What we would recommend is that you either schedule a pickup with USPS so that they can scan the package in right in front of your face, or that you take it into the post office and either drop it at the post office, or preferably have somebody actually scan it in and give you a receipt for the package right in front of your face. You know, it's a good excuse to get out of the house and maybe go get some donuts or something, I don't know. Anywho, we're super stoked that you've decided to send your electronics into us for repair. And we just want to make sure that you know you don't need to send in any accessories with your device. So that includes power cables, other cables, controllers, original packaging, or manuals. We only need the device that we'll actually be repairing. We have everything else to test it once it actually arrives to our facility. If you do have any questions about the repair process before you send your device in or during, feel free to shoot us a text or an email. We'd love to help you out. And we really appreciate you trusting us with the repair of your electronics, and hope you have a good one.